Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm pulling a shot with this beautiful old Pavoni espresso machine. You can see this is the older version because it has the 2-position temperature switch. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. I'm doing this one-handed. Put my knee on it. So this coffee's a bit on the old side, and this is what your espresso is going to look like when your coffee is old. See, you get just a little bit of crema, but if the coffee was fresh, we'd have a lot more crema. So thank you.